Now we're going to do a 7-minute body weight only strength circuit. So it's 2 different exercises. We're going to work the upper body, we're going to work the lower body, and this is a good example of how we can actually get in some strength training work without any equipment at all, anytime, any place, and really short little period of time. So we just have 2 different exercises. We're just going to be working on 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest with each one. So we'll all kind of start with a basic version of each move, and then we'll sort of give you some options if you want to ramp it up as we go throughout the progression. So you can just follow along. It'll make sense as we go. So we'll start with a regular split squat. So you're going to have your feet together like this. You're going to drop 1 foot back here. So everybody do this. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Energy goes straight down, straight up. Keep the feet where they are. So ready and go. We're going to go 30 seconds of split squats on this side. Okay? So we're just thinking about weight through your heel, knee tracking over the toe, keeping the upper body up nice and tall. We're going to do 30 seconds on this side. Right? Watch that shin angle. So you don't want your shin coming forward too much. You just want to be going straight down and straight up. Okay, just go ahead and shake that out. Take a little break. Do the same thing on the other side. Foot position is going to make a big difference too. I'll explain more of that as we go here. So ready and go. Same thing on the other side. So I want to have my weight sort of evenly distributed on my big toe and my little toe and my heel on this front foot. And so if I can do that, that's going to go a long way to keeping everything where it kind of needs to be on that side. So let's keep going. We'll do a couple more reps on that side. We go about 5 more seconds on that side. And let's rest. Nice work. We're going to go to a push-up. Okay, pick kind of the easier version. Could be as easy as a wall push-up, right? It could be a knee push-up, or it could be a regular push-up if you're pretty good at doing your push-ups. I'll do knees just to start off with, just a demo. So set up regular, go to the knees, and here we go. Let's do our push-ups. Okay, you pick any of those versions. It's good for you. But we have hands under your shoulders. Abs are engaged. Body's in a nice straight line. Neck is in line. Elbows are in. Try to stop an inch or two off the floor and press back up. 1 more rep. And let's go ahead and rest. Nice work. Good job. Good job. So 15 seconds of rest. We're going to go back to the split squat. Stick with the same version if you want. I'll show you how you can do a 1.5 split squat. It'll make it a little bit harder. So ready? So here we go and go. So you're going to, this would be your regular. If anybody wants to do 1.5, you're going to go down, halfway up, all the way down, all the way up. So it would be down, halfway up, all the way down, all the way up. That would be your down, halfway, down, all the way up. That'd be your 1.5. That's optional if you want to add some difficulty or stick with the regular split squat. So 2, 1, let's go ahead and rest. Nice job. Shake out the legs a little bit, 15 seconds of rest. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So here we go. Ready and go. So we're down. I'm doing 1.5, down, all the way. If you're doing the 1.5 version, you're kind of hanging out in that bottom position. Kind of hanging out in that bottom position. Or you're just doing your regular split squats. Keep going. Keep going. Good work. Got about 10 more seconds here. Think about looking straight ahead. There we go. Staying up nice and tall. 2, 1, rest. Good work. Okay, take a break. Now we're going to do push-up, whatever version of push-up you're doing last time. These are called elevator push-ups. So just follow along with me here. Here we go. I'll do the knee push-up version again because these are pretty tough. So ready? Top floor is up here. So everybody stop at the start of the top floor. You're at the top and your arms are locked out. Now we're going to go bottom floor. That's like an inch off the floor. Then we're going to go middle floor. Now we're going to go bottom floor. Now we're going to go top floor. I'm just going to call them out as we go. So let's keep going. Bottom floor, top floor, middle floor, top floor, bottom floor, top floor, bottom floor, top floor, rest. Good job. Good job. Good job. One more of each. Actually, we're going to do two more of each. So let's go back to these split squats. Back to the split squats. So here we go. Regular or 1.5. I'll leave it up to you. Ready and go. Regular or 1.5. I'll leave it up to you. Either way, let's see if we can just pick up the tempo just a little bit. Okay? Pick up the tempo just a little bit. Go a little quicker. If possible, a little bit quicker. Get a couple more reps. Do the version you can do with really good form, with perfect form. Let's keep it up. We got about 10 more seconds on this side. 10 more seconds on this side. And let's rest. Good job. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Same exact thing on the other side. So here we go. Ready and go. All the way down. Halfway up, all the way down, all the way up. All the way down, halfway up, all the way down, all the way up. Keeping that tension on that working leg. Keeping the tension on the working leg. Form's looking good. Nice work, everybody. Good job. We're going to go about 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds of this one. Good job. And let's rest. Good. Back to those elevator push-ups again. Back to those elevator push-ups again. Okay, so let's start with top floor. We'll go bottom floor, top floor, middle floor, bottom floor, top floor, bottom floor. Make sure you're not resting on the ground, right? Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Bottom floor. Here we go. Holding at the bottom. Top floor. Bottom floor, top floor, rest. Good job. Nice work. One more set, okay? One more set. Back to, we're going to go alternating reverse lunges for a full 60 seconds. This is kind of like a back off set. So what we do here is these first same muscle groups, these are kind of like harder. This should be a little bit back off the resistance a little bit and try to pick up the tempo a tad, okay? So we're just going to do our alternating reverse lunge. So ready, go. We're going to go for, again, similar muscle group, similar movement pattern. We're just going to go for 60 seconds on those alternating reverse lunges now. So if you can, again, pick up the tempo a little bit. Remember, it's big step back. Make sure you're still hitting that 90 degrees on the front, 90 degrees on the back. Make sure you're still keeping your upper body tall. Make sure your weight is evenly distributed on that front foot. Make sure you have your knee, we're halfway done. Knee tracking over the toe. Let's keep going. If you're good with it, see if you can pick up this tempo. Quick tempo. Good job. Keep it going. We got 10 more seconds. Use good form. Got to go kind of quick. 2, 1, and rest. Nice job. Okay. Push-ups. Again, we're not going to do the elevator. We're just doing regular push-ups. Try to sort of back off. We're just going to do 30 seconds here, but back off the intensity a little and try to crank out some extra reps. Okay, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Here, here. Get some extra reps, right? Just going for 30 seconds. A little backed off intensity. There you go. Good. I see some of you guys do a different version, so that's perfect. Knee push-ups, wall push-ups are fine. Just keep the mechanics the same. We're going to go about 10 more seconds, so keep it up. Good job. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job. Part 1 done. Part 1 done. Way to go, way to go, way to go. Grab some water.